to crash out again. Time to crash, he says. Down goes the head. Guess what? Guess what, everybody? His sister is trying to attack the camera. Yeah. Now you want to attack the knee? Hey, you better turn around, little girl. Trickster. Yeah. Tricky, tricky. Get your belly. Get your belly. Can't go crazy. Beast mode. He says, I'm going by mommy. Oh no, going by her sister. Panther mode. Oh, gotcha. And guess who woke up? Her brother. Her big brother. Yeah, you are a little bigger than your sister, aren't you? You're just waking up. You're just waking up, feisty boy. Are you just starting your day in the evening? Oh, lay back down, huh? Wow. Laying back down with your brother. Pretty boy. Yeah. Look at that. Hey, here comes Mommy. Wow. Hello, Mommy. Hello. How are you, girl? Scratch your neck. Yeah. Mommy was taking a nap too. Yeah. Mommy was taking a nap. Your belly's all hot. Yeah. Got a hot belly. And you got a head poking out of it. Yeah. Good girl. Good girl. Good mommy. Good baby Blackie girl. And look at that guy, huh? Yeah. Guys are just waking up, Mommy. Yeah. Everybody's so exhausted tonight. Yeah. It was so hot. Wow. Baby big boy. With the big head. Yeah, you are a baby big boy. Not everybody can see what I see in you. Yeah. I can see it. Yeah. I can see it in your face. You are a baby big boy. And this guy, look at here, biting his brother. Are you biting your brother's tail? You're not gonna have this big a head. No, you're gonna have Mommy's good looks. Look at that, red kidney beans. Not black beans. Those are black beans. These are red kidney beans. Right? Maybe a adzuki bean. Is that what you got? Adzuki bean toes? Hey, I told you, you have black bean toes. See, little black beans. Yeah, it's okay to have black bean toes. Nothing wrong with that at all. What was that, bird? Wow. Look at that. Good liquor. Good boy. Yeah. Watching mommy. Okay. See you later, you two. Two little boys.